Welcome to any POS How to video. How to use webPOS. Select the point of sale option from the sidebar. Here you can see all your products and the categories. On the top you can select the category. And the products will be filtered accordingly. Select the product you would like to sell. Here you can adjust the quantity. You can add a customized price for one-time use. Click on Update and the product price will be updated with the VAT. You can add more products. To confirm order, click on Checkout. Here you can see different payment methods such as cash, card, or multi-payment. Let's click on Cash. Put the amount that you're receiving. Here the system will guide you how much change you should return to the customer. In case of split payment, you will enter the cash received. And system will guide you how much payment you should collect from the card. You can put the reference number of the transaction. Now select the cash. Put the amount. Click on Proceed. This is the invoice format. You can click on the print button to print this invoice or go back simply. This is how you use web point of sale system. Thank you for watching.